Crash Courses. Today's crash course is on the incredible adaptations that help animals and plants survive. And there is no better example than the one, the only, Venus flytrap. Look at that plant. In order to survive, it eats insects, which technically are animals. And humans are animals, but Sandra, I'll bet it couldn't catch me.
Of course not, sir. You're hundreds of times bigger than it is.
But I won't be for long. Sandra, I will shrink myself down to the size of a fly with my new Shrinky Shrink Ray.
You are what?
Shrinky Shrink Ray. I invented it late last night. I'll be right back.
Wow.
That's right. I'm going to shrink myself down to the size of a housefly and prove that a Venus flytrap can't catch and eat me.
That's a horrible idea, sir. Who knows what that machine is going to do to you?
Sandra, you really should try and be more positive.
Fine. I'm positive that this is a horrible idea.
Much better. Okay, time for today's Fun Fast Facts. Fact 1. The Venus flytrap is carnivorous. That means it eats meat. Fact 2. The Venus flytrap is not the only carnivorous plant. Fact 3. The Venus flytrap can spit out objects that are not food, like pebbles. Okay, here we go.
Sweet, jabby, dabby, it works!
I can't believe it. This has to be the invention of the century.
Of course it is. And here I go! Sandra, I'm hovering above the fly trap, and this is amazing. I will now document this moment for the scientific record by taking a selfie.
Sir, I wouldn't do that.
Well, I would.
Sir, stop. Don't fall into the fly trap.
Ooh, ow! Sandra, push the button! Push the button! Push the button! Ah!
Well, I think that went pretty well.
It went horribly, sir. The shrink ray's destroyed, and I'll bet you have no idea how to build another one.
Nope, it was 1,000,000 to 1 odds against me getting that one right.
And there's no way you took any notes.
Not a one.
Okay, we're done here.